सबसे बड़ा हिंट तो है गवर्नेंस ऑटो स्टोलन एंड यूज्ड इन रंग रनिंग.
Oh, F नहीं यार FBI नहीं होता. FBI है क्या? नहीं ना, पास.
AP.
Did they create an act after this that made something illegal?
No. I mean, something like that happened, yes. But that is not,
The answer.
that's not
Okay.
the main, that thing was there. Like, it could have been
Okay.
implemented at any point of time. Yeah. Govind?
Okay.
So creation, मतलब वो invention भी हो सकता है. It doesn't have to be creation in that sense. Or I'm asking, is it invention or?
No, it is not technological. I'll clear it out right away. It has nothing to do with technology. This guy was stuck in that cave for 14 days. And 14 days तक rescue mission चला था. But like they could not pull him out because he was way too deep into the cave.
I was thinking on the lines of like some mechanism to reach deeper into the cave. But if it's not technology, I don't
Which
know.
one is it?
Come back to me. I can't think of anything right now.
Hey, Neelam?
I have two guesses. One would be dehydrated food or something like that you can carry when you're, I don't know, traveling, going to remote places. And the other is the creation of a water bottle, make bottle portable or something, water portable.
No, the guesses were like really good ones though.
यार वो जो मूवी थी कौन सी थी वो
127 hours.
हाँ वो
नहीं
नहीं वो
अलग
नहीं है
ये
वो
अलग
हाँ वो तो बच गया था वो बंदा तो बच गया था सो आई थिंक कि ऐसा कुछ है क्या लाइक डू यू हैव टू आफ्टर दिस इंसिडेंट पीपल स्टार्टेड लाइक इफ यू हैव टू डू सम एक्सपीडिशन ऐसा केव में तो तुम्हें कुछ लिख के देना पड़ता है क्या ऐसा कुछ है क्या इस इंसिडेंट के बाद
It's not technological, it's not a law.
ओके
No law was created because of this. That's another hint. Yeah. You wanna take another guess after that?
नहीं यार पास
Pragya?
Some.
I want to take a guess after everyone's done. Sorry.
What would be the nearest guess that has come so far?
I don't remember.
Any hint? It's not law.
Yeah, so those are the hints, right? Those are two big hints. It's not a law. It's not anything related to technology, and the hint is in the headline section. This is the third hint.
I mean, emergency service to find people.
It's not a task force either.
Okay, pass.
Vibhor?
Some sort of a manhole cover.
No.
Is everyone done? Can I take another guess?
Yeah.
I'll take my guess.
Okay, so
Okay.
first, EP, you go for 5 points.
Okay, did they create a post that like creation of a post? Yeah, like a vice president or something. That अगर ये president मर जाए तो vice president की post create कर दो.
Was your guess going to be?
Has it got anything to do with the name Collins?
No.
ठीक है, pass.
Okay.
Oh God.
इसके बाद